Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install and run Java in Visual Studio Code. We will cover everything step by step from installing Java, setting up VSCode, adding extensions, and finally running your first Java program. So let's start the video. So first, open any of your favorite web browser. Just type download VSCode. Download VSCode. Hit on enter. Go to the official website of code.visualstudio.com. Click on this link. Now you can see download Visual Studio Code. I am using Windows, so I will be download this version. It is compatible with Windows 10 and 11 both, right? So click on this download button, and here you can see our VS Code downloading is started, right? Now in second step, we are going to download the latest version of Java JDK. So just type download Java, right? Hit on enter. Go to the first link, oracle.com, right? Click on Java downloads. Here you can see the latest version of JDK 24, right? So click on this 64-bit installer. Click on this download button. Now you can see Java 24 and VS Code is downloading, right? So once download is complete, we will install them, right? Now open your command prompt and type Java version. Here you can see I am using Java 1.8. So we need to upgrade them, right? So first we will download JDK 24. So let's see. I have already downloaded JDK 24. Double click on that and we will install Java. So click on next and finish. Click on next and finish. That is very easy to install any exe file, right? Next and finish, right? So close. Now install VS Code. So copy and move to, I have already created a folder Java JDK. So go to Java JDK and paste it here. Now this is VS Code exe file, right? So double click on that. Now click on OK button. Here accept the agreement. And click on next button. Next and finish. Create desktop icon. Click on add everything, right? So click on next button. Click on install. Now VS Code is installing, right? So again open command prompt and type, here you can see VS Code is installed our system, right? So just click on finish button. Now cancel that one. Here just type Java version. Here you can see I am using JDK 1.8, but we have downloaded JDK 24. So what we need to do? We need to set up the JDK24 path environment, right? So how we will do? So close this one, go to this PC and go to C drive, and here go to program files, and here you can see a Java folder, right? Double click on that, and here you can see JDK24 or till bin. Till bin you need to copy that one, close that one. Now again right click on this PC, go to properties, and here go to Windows advanced system setting. Now click on environment variables. Here you can see path, select path. So I am going to create a new one, right? So just click on new button and give variable name path, and here paste it here, right? Click on OK button. Okay. Now what we need to do? Again here select path JDK and click on edit button. Here you can see JDK24, right? So move up, right? And just select and click on OK button. Click on here, you can see JDK path. Click on edit button. Everything is fine, right? So click on OK button. Now we need to set Java home. So what we have to do? Here we can see Java home. Select edit. So just paste it here, right? Variable JDK24. So here what we need to do? We have to remove bin, right? And click on OK button. Now select Java home and click on OK. Now click on OK, close this window. Now again open command prompt and just type Java version. Hit on enter. Here you can see Java 24 is installed at my system, right? Now open VSCode. Here you can see the welcome page, right? So close welcome page. So now just create a new folder. So I'm going to create a new folder, Control Shift N, and here I'm going to give name Java Programs 2025, right? Hit on enter. Here you can see one folder is created. Now to open VSCode, we just need to right click and here open with code, right? Select folder and open with code. Now you can see trust the author. Now here you can see Java program 2025 is created, right? So now here we will create new file, and here from we can create new folder. So folder we have already created. Now create a new Java file. So give class name a dot java. So a dot java is created, right? So to run Java program, what we need to do? We need to install extension pack for Java and code runner extension. So go to this extension button, type code runner. Here you can see code runner installed in my system. So you can install from here. And one more, type simply Java, and here you can see extension pack for Java. So simply need to click on install button, right? So these are already installed at my system. So you need to install these two extensions, code runner and extension pack for Java. So this is Java program. So type MA, press enter. You can see main method is created. Type shout. Now parental method is created. Pass the message here. Welcome to Java. Right? Save this program. And to run this program, what you need to do, just click on this icon, run code. Here you can see run Java, right? So click on that. Now click on allow access. Here you can see welcome to Java. Now type shout and print something new in Java. Run Java. Now you can see it's printing welcome to Java, new in Java. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching.